Hi class, Molly Wallen here. I know we've been discussing switching over to on-demand travel for the company, so I wanted to go ahead and create a market analysis summary so we can kind of get an idea on which type of aircraft we want to switch over to. So I went ahead and chose 4 different types of aircraft, chose 2 turboprops, the Pilatus PC-12 and the King Air 250. Now these aircraft are going to be the cheaper options for the company. However, with the cheaper aircraft, it's going to have a slower true airspeed and a smaller range. For the jet options, I chose the Citation Latitude and the Learjet 70. These jet aircraft are much more expensive. However, they do fly at a faster true airspeed, so we are going to get there much quicker, and it's going to have a longer range as well as some other perks. So let's go ahead and take a look at each of these aircraft. First off, I have the Pilatus PC-12. It is our cheapest aircraft at $4.9 million. Other items I listed for each of these aircraft in the categories are maximum range, maximum cruise speed, maximum certified altitude, and then I went ahead and listed the passenger capacity. This one holds 9. Now, if you take a look at the next aircraft, the King Air 250, it is slightly more expensive at $6.2 million. However, it does have some other perks. It is slightly faster, and then it does hold 1 more passenger over that PC-12 aircraft. For the jet options, our next cheapest is the Learjet 70, coming in at $11.3 million. This aircraft goes much faster than our turboprops and at a higher altitude. However, if you do notice, this aircraft does only hold 6 passengers. So depending on our business type of travel, that could be a factor that we will have to consider. Next, we have the Citation Latitude. This is our most expensive option for the company. It does come in at $16.65 million. This once again holds 9 passengers. It does go slightly slower than the last aircraft listed. However, it does have some other benefits and perks that we're going to go ahead and take a look at now. So for this here, this is the value factor chart. On the left-hand side, you can see the cost of each aircraft and then kind of the value for these. So if you notice that Citation Latitude, although it is the most expensive, is going to be worth the most value. And so those kind of can be associated with the price for the most part if you take a look there. And then now I've got performance data for each aircraft listed. They've got their own categories you can see here. And then some performance data I included was the cabin volume, wing loading, available payload with the max fuel, and then the maximum payload range. So on to utilization. I know last week we were talking about utilization of switching over to on-demand and time savings for our COO. So as you can see, the aircraft hours are listed, the employee hours for our COO, and this is switching with the expansion into Akron. Time saved, which can be used towards other things, and just more nights at home, and then total aircraft hours. So I hope this clears things up. I hope this gives us an idea of which type of aircraft we want to switch over to. Look forward to talking to you all soon. Take care.